sister Barbie, and I'm back with another video. If you're a return subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the bougie crew because it's the bougie way or no way. Period. Last night, me, my mom, and my brother, we finished up some orders. Oh, my laptop is dead. We finished up some orders, and so basically, I'm just going to get them ready to be shipped out. I need to make it to the post office by 12. It is 9:42, so I have to do all of this and be done by 12. And when I say all of this, I have to package orders. I have to close up these lip gloss tubes. I have to do a lot. I have to print out labels. I have to tape them to the boxes. So it's a lot. So I'm basically just gonna let y'all watch me do that process. And the reason why I'm gonna let y'all just watch me do it is because I want to turn my music on and just vibe and get this done, because if I don't, it's gonna take me longer. So I'm gonna turn my music on and I'm just gonna get to work, okay? Maybe next time we'll do a more in-depth video of me shipping orders, but right now we're just going to vibe and get it done, okay? Okay, I hope you guys understand that. By the way, before we start, I just want to show you like my orders on how I have them like organized or whatever. So I have these orders right here with this sticky note. Means they ordered before a certain time, so they get a mini starter kit, like the deal that I had. So they get a mini starter kit, and then I have this one. I'm just basically keeping up with what these orders have, what I need to make. So this one, I needed to make 12 8-ounce bags of base, and then 50 squeeze wholesale order empty tubes. And then this one, I needed to make 24 kits, 24 mini kits for the Valentine's. Sit down! For the Valentine's Day, so I had to make 24 of these, and then a 50 squeeze wholesale empty tubes. And then these right here are all wholesale orders that need to be made. We make wholesale orders as they come in. It just makes sense to me. So, I mean, if you do it different, then that's fine. That's awesome. Amazing. I make mine as they come in, okay? That's what Bougie Barbie does. And then here are the single orders for like just single lip glosses or t-shirts, stuff like that. And then, oh, this goes over here. This is mini kits. Okay. I had these in order, so these go first. Yeah. So that's pretty much the rundown I have right here. Is basically my orders in order of what I need to send out. So I had my brother help out last night and fill up like tubes and stuff like this and help us close tubes. So it was really a big help. We got a lot done last night, a lot done. So I'm about to go ahead and package up all this so I can be at the post office by 12, the latest 12:30, so I can go ahead and send out tracking numbers, and so everybody can know their order is on the way. And then also we're gonna be doing more lip gloss stuff tonight, so we'll be sending more orders off tomorrow. So yeah. Alrighty, let's get to it. So what you see me doing in this clip right here is just putting the tops on the squeeze tubes. We didn't do that last night, so they left it for me. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then I'm just going to package up. After I'm done with this, I'm going to package up all the wholesale orders in their own separate box. And that's pretty much it. So as I pack up my tubes, I do pack them up by color. I do color coordinate them, and then once I'm done, I just put my confetti on the top. For the wand tubes, I'm putting down this little bubble wrap that I got from Walmart to basically protect them from like hitting each other. Like I don't know, like when the box shakes, they like hit each other. So I'm just trying to protect them from like doing a lot of moving around basically, because you know the tubes can be damaged even though they are plastic tubes. Now I'm just going in and putting my sticker on top of each box because you know presentation is key. And I'm just getting their starter kits ready. And I'm putting their starter kits in the same bubble wrap that I used to put inside the wholesale boxes. And I did get it from Walmart. And I didn't know they had like this little open flap, so it's very convenient because you can use it for plenty of things. So yeah, I'm just putting I get those brown boxes from Walmart as well, which are very convenient. They're only 62 cents. And I just get a lot of those from Walmart to pack up my starter kits, wholesale orders, everything in those boxes. And so yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing here, just packing up the wholesale orders and the starter kits together. And then right here, I'm just packing up, well not really packing up at this moment, but I'm just getting these together, which are the squeeze tubes, but these are empty squeeze tubes because I do sell them in wholesale as well. So a lot of people just ordered those by itself, so that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so now I am packing them up, and she ordered a bag of base separately as well, so that's what I'm putting in the box as well. She also ordered a t-shirt in a separate order, but I wanted to ship everything together. So what I did was I just put it in a separate poly mailer. So just in case, like if anything happened, like if the base was to spill or anything of that sort, then the t-shirt will be safe. Okay, these two orders that you see me currently packing up are going to be just single 8-ounce bags of base, which I put in my pink mailers. Now what you'll be seeing me doing in these next few clips are packing up a couple starter kits. Package up the last few things, which are the Valentine's Day starter kits, which are right here. So I'm about to pack up these, and I'm just going to show y'all how I pack up these because it's going to be a little bit different because these already come with the scent oil and the pigments already, so it's already ready to go. So my other starter kits, they come with the 8-ounce bag of base. You get to choose your own pigment, and then they come with a random flavoring oil, scent oil, 3 pipettes, 1 syringe, and then the tubes. So these will come with 3 5-ounce bags of base, pink, red, and clear, and then you'll get 15 squeeze tubes and a syringe, 60 milliliter syringe, and 3 pipettes. So I'm gonna pack these up and I'll show y'all how they look once done. So just watch me and then I'll show y'all how they look. she ordered a BTS, which is a Barbie Tropical Sparkle, and I guess she's gonna put it in her tubes or whatever. That's gonna be super cute. So yeah, she ordered that separately, and I just added it in, just put it in the box with everything else. And just a little FYI, I do usually put the stickers on before we fill the bags, but last night we were moving so fast that I just did everything afterwards. You can do wand tubes as well instead of squeeze tubes. It's just an extra $10 on the Vday kits. Okay, so you will get a clear, like I was saying. I just want to show y'all on the last one I'm packing up. You'll get a red, and you'll get a pink. The red and the pink, the red and the pink both come with glitter, and then the clear is just regular clear, and they're all scented. Okay, so now that I'm done packing up the Valentine's Day starter kits, I am now going to put them in their boxes so I can get them prepared for shipping labels. Okay, so since she ordered a starter kit and 50 extra tubes, I could have shipped it separately in 2 brown boxes, but that would have been more expensive. So what I did was just use one of my spare boxes from Amazon Prime, and I just removed my information, and I'm going to put her label on top. Alright, so now what I'm doing here, since everything is packaged up, I am now creating the shipping labels and taping up the boxes. Alright, so now I am just going in and cutting and taping the shipping labels to the packages. That's all I'm doing here. Okay, so now I'm just going in and scanning the packages in and updating tracking numbers. So basically, once I scan in the package, the tracking number automatically updates and sends to, it automatically goes to the customer's email. Okay guys, and that is a wrap. I am finally done. What time is it? 12:11. I did it. So I told myself I woke up at 8:30. I set my alarm for 8:30, right? And I was like, okay, I gotta be out of bed by 9. So I got out of bed by 9, took a shower, took prints out. So I started right at 9:30 and I got done at 12:11. And I wanted to be at the post office by either by 12 or 12:30. So I'm gonna make it by 12:30. It's right up the street. So yay, congratulations to me. The packing up orders, it's like so hard because I have so much to do, you know, because I make all of my packages like really pretty. So I have a lot of like stuff to do when I'm packaging up my orders. So I be really needing help, but nobody's here, everybody's busy. So my brother just had his new baby, so he couldn't come and help me. He's obsessed, which I would be too. I'm gonna go see him tonight. But yeah, so I did all of this by myself, and I feel like I accomplished something so big because every time it's time to package up orders and I have a lot, I'll be like, okay, this is gonna be a huge task. I gotta make sure I do everything in a timely manner and just get it done. So that's why I play my music and just get to work. So I'm about to drop these off at the post office, and then I'm about to clean up my house because it's kind of dirty. It's really not dirty at all. It's just like stuff is scattered and my OCD is bad, and I need to finish putting up clothes. So I'm about to go ahead and send these off. I gotta go get the cart from downstairs because I cannot carry all of these downstairs. So I gotta go downstairs to the leasing office and get the cart. And then I have to bring the cart up here, take it to the garage, put the stuff in the garage, and then come back and take the cart to the leasing office. It's just too much. So I'm about to do that. And I mean, I can add that in the video and then I'll just end it there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, bougie babes.